have 15 peeps, but we're only gonna work with 1. So, by the way, I don't really like peeps very much, and a lot of my friends don't either, but I was just curious, and I know that a couple of you people were too. So, just to clarify again, my grandmother thinks that peeps will melt, but I think that they will expand. Let me look up how long it takes, or how long. Well, alright. Microwave. Peep is in the microwave. Let's see. Alright. So, Grandma, what do you think is going to happen?
It's going to melt and spread out.
And be a big mess?
Mess, for sure.
Well, I think that it's going to turn into a super peep. So, let's see what happens. What do you think? How long? Like 20 seconds?
I'll try 20 and if it don't do anything, then...
Alright. Oh, look at that peep blowing up. Look at that, Grandma.
Yeah, look at it melting.
Yeah, right. It's turning into a giant fat peep. He isn't melting. Oh! Point for Evan. Oh, I must hurry before he melts back. Alright. Here's the peep. Here's the little peeps. Here's the big owner of the peeps. So, point is, peeps expand in the microwave. And now Grandma's gonna eat the peep.
Well, first I gotta get something to eat with it.
Because I don't like peeps. So, the moral of the story is, Evan was right for once. How is the hot peep? Is it better than a cold peep? Or a room temperature?
Melted marshmallow.
Oh. So, good? Bad? Fair enough.
It's good.
Okay.